What's up, everybody? Chris over here, founder of PollinateTrading.com. Today, well, it's the 4th of July here in the United States, otherwise known as thank you for no longer being British. Whatever. uh, Crypto is just melting down at the moment. And as expected, I got stopped out. The trade was set up. Got in right over here. It started to move up and it died. And it started to go straight down. So I got out around that 58 area, stopped out, and did not go short because, well, we are in the bull regime, and so strategies just, my statistical and quant systems do not go short during this regime in crypto specifically. So no big deal. Took the stop, took the L, and we'll see where we are. Now, that being said, we've got a number of levels that I will be putting orders to limit orders to buy as they go down. We're looking at 53,000. This is Coinbase, by the way. 55,000, 54,000, 53,000 area. That breaks 50,000. And then we start looking at 44,000 and even potentially down into, well, first the big support would be 42. So how am I doing that? Let's say I have $10,000. So I just kind of like layer them in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe $1,000 each. Maybe $500 each or something like that, just so I get a little bit better prices into the bigger inventory that I'm going to be just generally holding in my continued inventory of just like constant holding of Bitcoin. So this isn't a tactical trading strategy. This is just, if I get filled on some of these, I'm going to be fine with it. I'm not putting all of my capital to work here because I really would rather put. So again, let's say I had $10,000 in crypto allocated that I wanted to have in crypto. I want it to be doing this stuff, so I would rather be buying on the way up. My algorithms like to buy on strength. This is just me being a little bit discretionary here, buying weakness. Now, why are these areas interesting? So the reason I chose these areas is these are low volume nodes, or a lot of people consider them like, when you hear about a price gap, like usually see like, I don't know, $100 is the close and then 101 is the open. And there's a whole like 100 to 101 type of gap. That is different than this. This is actually volume. So you may have traveled through those prices, but it just moves so quickly that like no trades really happen. And that's a true gap as far as I'm concerned. And when you look left over here on this daily chart, you can see that it just like skips levels, right? When it went from 52,000 up to 56,000, it did it really quickly, just straight up, went in 2 days. And the move basically is like, hi, good morning, boom. Hi, good morning, boom. And it just kind of like repeats. And that is indicative of a good high volatility move. Typically, that's the closer to the end of the move, but it doesn't mean, like you see over here, we had a big breakout move, then the consolidation, and then the gap, and then the sideways consolidation lasted a long time. So it's going to want to get in here, clean some of this stuff up. It looks, for the most part, the second half has mostly was cleaned up. These are actual price gaps that were not filled. So likely they're going to get hit. Not to say that we won't go down to these levels. The 42 level is another level that has high volume. So the other high volume node, the first one is all the way up here, 67,000. The other one is 42,000 for the year of 2024. So that's a big support level. And, you never know. We may go down there. Who knows? Anyway, that's what we're doing. For the 4th of July, we are offering a 50% discount at Pollinate. So use coupon code, and you'll see it in the link, Merica, MERICA. Use that coupon code. You can get Curvy system for 50% off, the Swing Bee system for 50% off, and then 6 months in the lab for 50% off. You can get all three of them if you want for 50% off, or one of them for the next couple of days to celebrate the 4th of July, because I didn't realize that, well, I should be putting together a sale. And I was like, well, I don't have any reason not to do a sale. So here we go. Happy 4th of July to everybody. And again, hey, if you like this content, please subscribe, send it to an enemy, send it to a friend. Go to pollinatetrading.com. You can see everything we're doing there. And, just generally, let's, kick butt. Love you all. Bye.